welcome to yet another episode of English in Everyday Life. Today we are going to see how to use the definite article the. So let's get into the topic without much ado. Let's see a few examples to understand it better. I want to eat the orange in the fridge. I want to speak to the lady in the white dress. I saw the dog with the black collar lingering around in the society. So if you see again here, I'm trying to pinpoint specifically at the dog that has the black collar. So whenever you're specifically mentioning about a person, place or a thing among a group, or when you want to distinguish this person, place or thing from the group, from the rest of the crowd, then we use the. Let's see the next example. I saw a man on the road. The man was wearing a red shirt. So if you see these examples again, we are using the before a noun about which we have already spoken before. In the first case, I saw a man on the road. The man wore a red shirt. So I have already spoken about this man in the first sentence, or I have spoken about this person earlier. And when I am referring to him the second time, I use the. Similarly, I saw a bird in the balcony. The bird had blue wings. Again, if you see, I am specifically talking about the bird which was in the balcony. So the second significant instance where we use the is when we are referring to a person, place or thing about which we have already spoken in the past. Number 3, the Ganges or the Ganga is considered to be a holy river. The United States of America is considered to be one of the most developed countries in the world. So if you see here, the United States of America, the Ganges. So if you have a close look, you will understand that the is used with a few proper nouns like the Ganges, the Himalayas, the Alps, the UK and the UAE. However, we don't say the England, the Delhi, the India. So there are only specific proper nouns with which the goes. Keep this in mind, try to figure out what are the proper nouns that carry the in front of them. So that's point number 3. The goes only with specific or with a few proper nouns, doesn't go with all the proper nouns. Let's see these examples. The sun is shining bright in the sky. The moon is exceptionally bright today. So if you see, again, these are nouns which are one of their kind, which means you use it in front of persons, places or things, but only with those which are unique. Again, this also holds good with books. There are certain books with which we use the books which are one of their kind. Epics like the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Bible all come into this list. Let's see the next example. The poor are always exploited. The rich never bother about the poor. So if you have seen these examples, rich and poor are actually descriptive words. But why are we using the in front of adjectives or the so-called descriptive words? The reason is simple. Here, the noun is obvious. When we say the rich, it means the rich people, the people who are rich. Similarly, when we say the poor, it means the people who are poor. So the next point to be noted, the 5th point to be noted is that the is used before adjectives when the noun is obvious. Number 6. Aishwarya Rai is the most beautiful woman in the world, at least according to me. Hrithik Roshan is the most flexible man I have ever seen. Our English professor was the most knowledgeable person I had ever met. So if you see all these examples, the is used before superlatives. Who among the three sisters is tall? Anita is the tallest. You see, we are using it before a superlative. So that was about the usage of the definite article the. I have missed out a few obsolete usages of the, which means these are no more in practice or they sound outdated. So all those examples which are outdated or which I felt were outdated, I have skipped them, omitted them, but there must be still doubts about where not to use the. So I'll come up with another video on where not to use the articles, whether it is a, an or the. So that's it for now. I hope you did understand now where to use the article the. If you did gain something out of this video and if you like the video, please do not forget to hit the like button, share it as much as possible, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Your subscriptions are important to us. Stay tuned for my further videos. Bye bye and see you soon.